Guys, nana ko sa face akong life nga. Gamay na lang guys. I'm gonna be living beyond my means. Kaya guys, cut majud ko guys. Bagura ko na kapalit ang botega. Nipalit na po kong new bag. Sige lang, God will provide. Munang nipalit ko ani nga rosary sa Turkey guys. So, okay, God will provide. Anyway, dili siya unboxing ani nga rosary. Today, I'm going to unbox my new purchase which is this bag from Chanel. Daan na ang paper bag. Kaya second hand siya nga bag guys. This bag was bought 2015. It's been 9 years but it's still in pristine condition. Very brand new pang yung itsura guys. And when I bought it, pang brand new po gihapon ng iyang price because if you're a fan of Chanel, you know that the value doesn't go down. Napost na ako ni siya nga bag sa ko Instagram. Mahal siya te, so ibutan na lang nato nga pang ROI niya ang unboxing even though na po siya. See, wala na taro og wrap guys, kaya ako rin nag-wrap. This is the Chanel. This is the Chanel boy bag. I promised myself, guys, nga if I were gonna buy a Chanel, dito nagig ko sa flap. Pero te, 500,000 na ang flap karon, so di pa gina ko siya afford. Unless if ihatagan ako advance legitim sa kong parents, makapalit na kong flap nga bag. This comes with its authenticity card. You see, 2015 pa gini siya guys, kay authenticity card pa. Ang akong latest nga Chanel na walk, kung ano to siya guys, naka-serial number na. This is how it looks like when worn guys. Ay, natagak. Diligid siya bagay sa akong body guys, okay? Nahukay siya. Pero bagay po siya at the same time kay lawyer ba ako guys, so pwede siya pang korte kasi it's very formal. And at the same time na siya style. Pwede naman siya i-wear like this. Very versatile. I like it still. I mean, it's not the kind of bag I would wear every day. It's also not the kind of bag na akong i-grab sa akong closet whenever I feel like going out. But like, I think it's something that you should also have in your collection. Bought this from my personal shopper, bagstars.ph. Guys, niabot na niya sa ako December 23 pa lang. Karon pa na ko siya gi-unbox kay wala pa ni sink in sa ko guys, nga nipalit na po bag. Intense ang pagka-cut-cut ni ate mo girl. I also bought this perfume guys, so I bought this sa duty free sa Turkey. Very barato guys, as in 13,000 lang needed to. I think tag 15 or 16 na siya dire. And this is my favorite scent. This is the MFK a la Rose. Guys, very humot. Mura to siya guys, oy bye.